Hello mga kalutang! Good morning! So ngayon, birthday ko. At may pasok tayo sa kinasamaang balat. So, ayan. Habulin natin elevator. So, ayan. Come to work with me! Baba na tayo ng elevator. Ang haggard ko na, guys. So, ngayon, inshallah, bawi tayo ng aga ng amo ko. So, aga pa naman. Meron pa tayong, sandali. Meron pa tayong 5 minutes para maglakad papunta sa bus. Plan ko sana na, ay, shit. Guys, babalik tayo yung uniform ni Mother Susan. Ibabalik natin. Mistakenly, akala ko akin yun kasi ako lang yung nag-hanger ng uniform kapag nagpapalaba. Ayan, so, patayin ko muna guys, kunin ko muna yung uniform ni Mother.
Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only want to slice.
Come to work with me. Pasok na tayo.
Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only want a slice of the pie. And all my time in this town, never thought I'd see the day you and I would come to blows. Think I'm gonna keep it that way. We don't have to think the same way to celebrate and dance until the dawn. It's always been a puzzle, I guess. So let's break a little bread and remember what I said. Come on.
OMG. What? No. Because according to Madam Shirley, no more. I need to finish until the end. Tomorrow is my flight, so alas.
Never thought too hard about it.
Hello guys! So, thank you sa mga nag-greet na. Thank you dun sa mga nakaalala without reminders. Hindi ko sure kung ang aking Facebook account is may reminders or wala. Thank you so much. Mahal ko kayo, alam niyo yan. And gusto kong i-shout out yung nagbigay nito, syempre. Actually, may pasabog akong gift. Kaya lang na-open ko na siya before. Ang aga kasi binigay nung nagbigay. So, nung nagregalo. So, sa ngayon, salamat, Ate Lynn. Shoutout sa'yo, Erlinda. Salamat. Open ko na ah. Or mamaya na. Open ko.
Something for you.
Parang tangang aga.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Mahal kita, alam mo yan.
Ano to, dildo?
Siyempre, bawal tayo posta. I hope you're gonna
Grabe,
be
ang bango
happy.
meron pang ano.
Because,
Hala! Kaninang sister. Ay, sorry. Hala, guys. Yung pangarap kong bilhin.
of course,
Thank you,
because
sister.
I love you.
This is
You're
my,
welcome.
what is this? Ito talaga yung girlfriend ko na, dito ano bang word to? Yung nagfo-fulfill ng aking mga dreams.
Of course.
Yung alam mo yung nakahanap ako ng isang hindi ako swerte sa jowang, yun? Anong word yun? Jowa na,
Kaya maghanap ng jowa.
ano bang word to? Jowa na, pangalan nito, jowa na galante. Pero nagkaroon ako ng little sister na galante.
Of course.
Grabe.
Mahal kita, alam mo yan.
Thank you. I love you too.
Okay, ikaw lang. Ano dyan?
Hello guys! Meron tayong unboxing for today's video. Grabe. Salamat Nicole for this gift. Alam mo naman matagal ko na itong hinihintay. And tawag dito, napaagang aking birthday. Talagang, actually guys, nagsiselebrate ako ng birthday ko. September 1 pa lang. Ganun ako mag-celebrate. Parang mga, alam mo yun, mga little surprises every day na ginagawa ko. Pero ngayon, today is September 8. Hindi pa ngayon ang birthday ko. Ang birthday ko September 18. Pero, finulfill na ng aking little sister yung aking dream. So, ayan guys, hindi na tayo mahihirapang mag-create ng mga kalutangan na videos. So, without further ado, i-unbox na natin to. Ayan, excited na ako. Guys, sobrang hirap makahanap ng ganito. As in, gusto magpapabili ka pa sa Japan or sa Korea. Sa Pilipinas, lagi siyang out of stock. Ilang beses na ako naghahanap ng ganito. Actually, hindi naman ako nag-daily vlogs kasi mas work is life, di ba? Minsan umuwi lang sa bahay. Ang nangyayari, tawag dito, puro work eh. So, yan. Ang laman. Cards. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Extension. Hindi ito yung battery eh. Charging case. Charging case. Cord. Strap. Ito yung cord. Tapos ito hindi ko alam. Extension yata ito eh. Hindi ito yung extra na battery. Tapos, ano to? Manual. Tapos, eto na. Tantananan. Ito yung case. Tapos, open na natin. Ayan. Bam. Ayan na, nag-record na siya. English. Activate before use.
Ayan na. Scammer.
Gumawa ka gago ka.
Mukbang yarn. Bumili ka na. Uy, nakakahiya. O, tignan mo, ayaw daw. Grabe.
Siyempre, bakit?
Uy, gago, busog ka na. Halika na.
Hi guys, we're eating dinner.
Para ako natatakot sister talaga.
Ano ba? Gambardak.
Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally.